In designing the Zan's Master Suite, I really wanted to personalize the space to fit my client's Southwestern style. We achieved that distinctive look by keeping things clean but unique so it didn't feel too much like a theme. I love this master suite. We've got these brand new beautiful wood windows in here, but one of the things I really wanted to focus on was this accent wall. We had the cedar wood trimmed down. We added some stucco in here. This wall just adds a lot of texture and dimension in this space. Another thing I really like about this room are these hanging pendants. This is something, especially off of a wall like this, that adds even more dimension and more interest. Let's check out the master bathroom. You know, we really wanted to change things up here. Originally, everything was blue. Blue toilet, blue shower. We really wanted to lighten it up, update it, but on this vanity, I wanted to do something a little unique. I love these white oak cabinets. I love this really cool industrial hardware. But I think the coolest part about this is how this is elevated in the middle. So it's a practical countertop space, but there's also more storage. This house really came alive in this renovation. We got to play a part in restoring this home for this family. It was a really big honor for me and Chip. I try to design my clients' homes to be a reflection of their style and personality. When you're designing for two people with very different tastes, as in the case of the Whites, it can get a little tricky. I would say the entryway was the most challenging part in this house because I really wanted them to walk in and feel like it was reflective of both of them. So I needed to blend both of their styles, traditional style with rustic style. I added this chair wheel here that has a traditional look, but it's not too formal, very simple. It adds some texture to the space, but it also really makes it feel warm and inviting when you walk in. It's nice because the walls don't feel so flat, but it's still at a space where you feel like it draws the walls out, but you still have room for artwork. But my favorite thing about this entryway is definitely the stairwell. The original stairwell was really dated. It was almost too traditional. So we ripped it all out and I designed this new stairwell that I just feel like has a little bit of a modern flair to it. It's super unique. And I just think it really sets the tone right when you walk in.